Hello everyone and welcome to Short and Pro. If you are looking to get the job of stenographer, then you are at the right place. Hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell. You are the first to know when I upload anything new. Get yourself ready for the dictation. The dictation will start after 5 seconds. This case decided by the Supreme Court of India in the 1970 is widely regarded as one of the most important and defining judgments in the country's constitutional history. Stop. It fundamentally shaped the balance of power between the legislature and the judiciary and established the doctrine of the underkama basic structure of the Constitution, a concept that continues to guide constitutional law in the country today. Stop. The case originated when the head of a religious institution challenged the state government's attempts to impose restrictions on the management of religious property through land reform laws. Stop. The petitioner argued that these laws infringed upon fundamental rights, including the right to manage religious affairs, as guaranteed by the Constitution. Stop. However, what began as a dispute over property rights soon evolved into a much larger constitutional question. Stop. Does the legislature have unlimited power to amend the constitution, including the fundamental rights enshrined within it? Note of integration. Prior to this case, the Supreme Court had delivered rulings that upheld the legislature's unrestricted authority to amend any part of the Constitution. Stop. But a later case challenged this view, with the court holding that the legislature could not amend fundamental rights. Stop. This created a conflict and legal uncertainty about the extent of the legislature's power. Stop. The case was heard by the largest bench in the history of the Supreme Court, with multiple judges delivering opinions, leading to a complex verdict. Stop. Ultimately, by a narrow majority, the court held that while the legislature can amend the constitution, including fundamental rights, it cannot alter its under basic structure or essential framework. Stop. This meant that the core principles such as the supremacy of the constitution, the rule of law, the separation of powers, federalism, and fundamental rights cannot be destroyed or abrogated through amendments. Stop it, done.